Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily hide likes on your Facebook posts. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. And guys, if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. So guys, first of all you'll have to click on those lines on the top right corner of your Facebook account. Now you'll have to scroll down and you'll have to tap on settings and privacy, and it will pop up, and then you'll have to click on settings again, and it will take you to a new page where you'll have to scroll down, and in the preferences section you'll be able to find an option of reaction preferences. That is the second option, and you will have to tap on reaction preferences. And now you will be able to find hide number of reactions. On the top is the option that on other post, on posts from others, and on your post. And if you want to hide likes from your posts only, you can toggle this one on. And if you want to hide likes from all the posts that you see on Facebook, you can turn on both options. I hope you found the video helpful. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.